how to download Steam Workshop mods without subscribing. So if you want to download Steam Workshop mods without subscribing, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Now, once you're on your browser, you need to go with search and search for SCMD Workshop. Once you search for it, you will find the GitHub link right here. So you need to click on the GitHub link. Once you click on it, you need to scroll down a bit and you will have releases right here. On the right side, you will have SCMD Workshop Downloader. You need to click on it. Here, you need to scroll down and you will find the zip folder. You need to click on the zip folder and download the file. On the top right, you will have the downloads. You need to click on the download section and go with full download history. Wait for a few seconds till it downloads. Once it's had downloaded, you can just simply go with your file explorer and then make sure that you're in the download section and you'll have the downloaded file right here. You need to just click on it and then go with extract all and select the folder that you would like to extract. But for example, I'll just simply go with my disk and then click on select folder, click on extract. Make sure that you've selected show extracted files when complete. Click on extract. Now once you've extracted, you'll find this kind of interface. You can double click on the folder and you will have the SCMD Workshop downloader right here. Just double click on it again. Once you get this kind of interface, go with more info and then go with run anyway. After that, you need to go with a new tab and search for Steam CMD and then click on this one. Now scroll down a bit and you'll find the link right here to download the Steam CMD for Windows. You need to click on it and it will start the downloading process. Go with the top right again. And once it has been downloaded, you'll find it right here. Or you can also go with your downloads and you'll find it right here. So click on it and then go with extract all and extract it. Go and add it to the same folder that you've selected previously. Go with extract. Now you need to go back to the STMD Workshop downloader that you've downloaded previously and then click on the folder icon. After that, go and select the folder that you've just downloaded, which is Steam CMD, and then click on open. Once you've done that, now you need to go back to your browser, open up a new tab and then search for Steam Community. Click on steamcommunity.com. After that, scroll down and go with the workshops and go and select any one of these workshops. Like for example, I'll go with this one. And here you will have the code. You need to just copy the code, which will be on the top. Once you've copied, you need to go back. And here you will have the workshop links. You need to paste the link right here. And then you can have the download option. If you want to download multiple files at the same time, click on the option Save List right here. And then select multiple games and collections. So that's basically how you can download Steam Workshop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.